Hi, guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. It is once again time to go over to CVS Pharmacy and see what deals and what steals are available for next week's sale. We're looking at the sale that will be from March the 4th to March the 10th of 2018. And y'all hold on to your boots because it's going to be a fabulous week. So, our first deal is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. They are on sale 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you'll get back 2 ECBs. Now, if you use the L'Oreal coupon from the upcoming Red Plum 3/4/18, it's for $4 off of 2. You'll pay $4 and you'll get back 2 ECBs, making those only $1 each. Another great deal is going to be on the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. They are 2 for $7. And if you use the $2 off 2 instant red box coupon that's supposed to be printing for everyone and pair it up with the $3 off 2 coupon that's coming out in the Red Plum 3/4, you'll only pay $1 each for these as well. Now, this deal is on Maybelline or L'Oreal and comes with a mystery red box coupon. Your best bet would be to pick up 2 of the Expert Wear eyeshadows at $3.99 each. You could use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons coming out in the Red Plum 3/4 and the mystery coupon, which is supposed to be for $2 off. You would pay $3.98 but get back 5 ECBs, making that a $1.02 money maker. That's a steal. Here's a deal I love to see. We've got buy one, get one free Hershey's Easter candy. So if you were to pick up 4 of the candy bags at $4.59 each, now your mileage may vary a little on that price, 2 of those are going to ring up for free. Use one of the $2 off 3 coupons from the $2.25 Smart Source. And if you still have that $2 off 3 Hershey's Red Box coupon from last weekend, pair that up with it. You'll end up only spending $1.80 per bag without the Red Box coupon or $1.30 per bag with it. Now, after eating all that candy, you might want to pick up some toothpaste. So pick up 2 of the Colgate Totals. They're on special for buy 1 and get back 2 ECBs. If you use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the $2.25 Smart Source, you'll only pay $2.98, but you'll get back 4 ECBs, making that a money maker. It's our next steal. Here's a great deal on hair color. So the Garnier is on sale this week. When you spend $12, you'll get back 4 ECBs. So pick up 2 of the boxes of the Nutrice. Use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the upcoming Red Plum 3/4. You'll pay $9.98 and get back 4 ECBs, making those only $2.99 each. It's even better with a red box coupon. Next up, you'll want some shampoo to take care of that hair color. So pick up 2 of the L'Oreal Everpure Hair Care. They're on sale 2 for $15. And when you spend $15, you'll get back 5 ECBs. Use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from the 211 Red Plum. You'll pay $9 and get back your 5 ECBs, making those only $2 each. It's even better with a red box coupon. L'Oreal Excellence Hair Color is our next deal. They are buy 2 and get back 4 ECBs. So if you picked up 2 of them, you could use that $5 off 2 coupon from the 211 Red Plum. You would pay $13.98 and get back 4 ECBs, making those only $4.99 each. It's even better with a red box coupon, or a % off could be used for this one. softsoap.com is going to help us out with this deal. It's when you spend $10, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So you could pick up 2 of the body washes and 1 of the 8-ounce hand soaps. Use 2 of the printable coupons from softsoap.com. You would pay $10.27 and get back 5 ECBs, making those only $1.76 each. Our next deal is on the Dove shampoo and conditioner. They are buy one, get one half off, and when you buy 2, you'll get back 3 ECBs. So use the $3 off 2 coupon from the 225 Red Plum. You'll only end up paying $4.48, and you'll get back 3 ECBs, making those only 74 cents each. Here's our next freebie. The Brute or Sure deodorants are $2. When you buy 1, you'll get back 1 ECB. So use the dollar off 1 coupon that's coming out in the Smart Source number 1 next weekend. You'll pay $1 and you'll get back 1 ECB, making that totally free. Another quick and easy deal is on the Hershey's single Easter candy, the Reese's Egg or Cadbury Egg. They're on sale for 99 cents. Now, if you'll use the 74 cents off of 1 red box coupon that's printing for everyone, they'll only be 25 cents. Our next couple of deals are on the P&G Spend 20 and get back 5 ECBs. The first way you could do this is to buy 2 of the Pampers diapers at $17.98 and 2 of the Dawn at 99 cents. You would use coupons from the P&G of March. They're coming out this weekend. Pay $16.46 and get back 5 ECBs, making that $2.87 per product. Or you could pick up 3 of the Pantene and 2 of the Head & Shoulders. I know it looks like the Head & Shoulders is from a different deal, but it's not. Look at your deal numbers at the bottom there. You would use 1 of the $5 off 3 coupons and 1 of the $4 off 2 Head & Shoulder coupons, both from the March P&G as well. Pay $15 and get back 5 ECBs, making those only $2 each. Next up, the Kleenex are on sale for 99 cents each. You could use the dollar off 4 coupon from the 128 Smart Source. You would pay $2.96 or 74 cents a box. There's a pretty good Listerine deal going. When you spend $10, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So pick up 2 of the Listerine and use 2 of the dollar off 1 coupons that you can print from healthyessentials.com. You would pay $8.98 and get back 5 ECBs, making these only $1.99 each. And you could use a red box or a % off coupon. This deal deserves at least an honorable mention. Physicians Formula has a special when you spend $15, you'll get back 10 ECBs. So pick up something that cost right around $14.99, and the 98% rule will apply. You will trigger your 10 ECBs. There are no coupons unless you have a red box coupon. The Hershey's Cookie Layer Crunch is buy 1 and get the second for $1. So pick up 2 of them. Use the dollar off 1 coupon from the 128 Smart Source. You'll pay $3.99 or $1.98 per bag. The Purex is on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 1, you'll get back $1.50 in ECBs. So you could use the 50-cent off 1 coupon from the 211 Red Plum. You would pay $2.49 and get back the $1.50. That makes those like 99 cents. Then look at Savings Star. There's been a rebate available. Next up, we have another diaper deal. So the Huggies are spend $20 and get back 5 ECBs. The jumbo packs are on for $9.99. So pick up 2 of them. Use 2 of the $2 off 1 printable coupons on coupons.com. You'll pay $15.98 and you'll get back 5 ECBs. That makes those about $5.49 each. Works out really well if you have a Redbox coupon. Next up, we have a razor deal. The Venus and Gillette razors are buy 2 and get back 8 ECBs. So if you picked up 2 of the 1-count razors for $8.99, you could use 2 of the $3 off 1 coupons from the P&G insert coming up in the 3-4 inserts. You would pay $11.98 and get back 8 ECBs, making those only $1.99 each. Next up is a Crest mouthwash deal. They are on sale for $3.99. When you buy one, you'll get back 2 ECBs. Use the dollar off 1 coupon in the 3-4 inserts. You'll pay $2.99 and get back the 2 ECBs, making those only 99 cents. Next up is another toothpaste deal. So when you buy 3 Colgate at $4.99, you'll get back 5 ECBs. You can use 3 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the $2.25 Smart Source. You would pay $8.97 and get back the 5 ECBs, making those about $1.32 each. Now, unless you have a Redbox coupon, you could probably get them cheaper, but if you do have one, that's a good deal. Okay, this is that deal I talked to y'all a little bit about in my last video. If you kept your Redbox coupon from $2.25 off of the Revlon, this deal would be really good for you. You would pick up one of the Revlon Super Lustrous lipsticks at $6.99. Use that $4 off Redbox coupon. You would pay $2.99 and get back 4 ECBs, making that free plus a moneymaker. CoverGirl is on sale. When you buy 2, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So what you could do is pick up 2 of the Perfect Blend pencils at $5.49 each. Use 2 of the $3 off 1 printable coupons from coupons.com that came out not long ago. You would pay $4.98 and get back 5 ECBs, making that free plus a moneymaker. Okay. Last but not least is an Almay makeup deal. They are on special. Spend $12 and get back 4 ECBs. So you could pick up 2 of the Almay makeup remover wipes at $6.49. Use 2 of the $3 off 1 either printable or coupons from the Smart Source if you're one of the lucky ones that gets those. They tend to be regional. You'll pay $6.98 and get back 4 ECBs, making those only about $1.50 each. And you could use a Redbox coupon or a % off coupon with that one. Okay, guys, we made it. I know that's a bunch of deals, but don't worry about writing them all down. You know, as always, I'll put them up on my website with all the breakdowns so you can just go through and screenshot it or copy and paste it to a Word document and print it out, whatever is easier for you. Or just open up the online site while you're at CVS and scroll down the page as you go, picking up what you want to pick up. Anyway, that's it for this time. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope you have a wonderful week, a wonderful haul, and I'll see you this weekend. Bye, guys.